Simultaneous equations. If you remember, this involves we're working on the x values and y values and the numbers in column. And the idea is to eliminate one of them. You need to either eliminate x or you eliminate y. And to eliminate one of them, the value must be the same. See, this is going to be 5x, this is going to be 5x before you can cancel them off. And of course, one of it got to be positive and one of it got to be negative. Let's see what we can do. So first thing first, decide whether or not you want to eliminate x or eliminate y. Let's say if we want to eliminate x here. To eliminate x, I have to make sure that the x values are the same. So 3x at the top equation, 2x bottom equation, I think I can make them both 6x. Let's try. If I want to make it 6x, the top has to be multiplied by 2 and the bottom has to multiply by 3. What do you get from that? So 3x times 2 is 6x. Plus 2y times 2 is plus 4y. 8 times 2 is 16. So I've got that equation. Now this equation here and this equation from the earlier one, they are actually similar. Okay? I'm suppose similar is not the right word. They are identical because if you divide everything by 2, you get this one here. Next, 2x times 3, it'll be 6x. And then plus 5y times 3, it gives me plus 15y. And that is equals to 3 times minus 2 gives me minus 6. Okay. And we realize now, we notice, yeah, that's 6x and 6x, they are the same. So I can eliminate. But one of this got to be negative. So what if we change that equation at the top there? We change all of that. We change the sign. The positive becomes negative. The negatives, if any, becomes positive. What do I get from that? So that becomes negative 6x, negative 4y, and equals to negative 16. And that's what we get. And the equation at the bottom, there's no change. So we're just going to clone that and put it here. And I'm going to bring my black line across to here now. And you notice now I can then work this out in column. Now we talked about this. So the x's goes together and the y's go together and the numbers after the equal sign go together. Let's add them two up. What do I get? So minus 6x and 6x is 0. Notice I've eliminated x. Minus 4y plus 15y gives me 11y equals minus 16 with minus 6 gives me minus 22. So what is y? Y is minus 22 over 11, which is minus 2. That's a nice number to have. I now need to work out the value of x. So to work out the value of x, I pick any of the equation. Always pick the easiest. This one here. So from 3x plus 2y is equals to 8. We know y is minus 2, so 3x plus 2y, which is minus 2, must be equals to 8. So 3x minus 4 is equals to 8. And remember our usual way, 3x take away 4 equals to 8, plus 4 here, plus 4 here. And on the left side, I'm left with 3x. On the right side, I'm left with 12. X is equals to 4. And if you were to represent these two lines on a Cartesian graph, so you've got two lines, and the intersection of the lines would be 4 minus 2. That's the x value, and that is the y value.